Many YouTubers do not know how to promote their channel. Are you having that problem? This video is for you. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can promote your channel or your videos in order to get more subscribers and views. Yeah, many content creators, especially beginners, are struggling for how to get views and subscribers. As you know, YouTube can't monetize your channel without completing 4,000 hours, watch time, and having 1,000 subscribers. Yes, so that is the reason why many people are searching for how they get subscribers and views. Yeah, okay. So there are many ways to get more views and subscribers. Among those ways, there are two ways that are very bad. They work, but they are very bad. They are very bad. Why? Some people prefer to get views or subscribers by inviting their friends to watch their videos. It is good, but sometimes it is very bad. Yeah, if you want to get more views, the real views and the real subscribers, do not invite some people to come to watch your video. What you need is to post your videos on YouTube and wait our YouTube algorithm to share videos to your audience. Yes, in that case you'll get views and subscribers. But if you invite people, for example, if you share the link of your video to your father or your mother, perhaps if they know the importance of views, they will watch your video. But sometimes they cannot be interested in your video. In that case, they will be killing your channel or destroying your video. If you invite someone who is not interested in your video, he may watch your video because he's a close friend. He may finish the video, he may watch the whole video. But there are other people who cannot finish your video, and if YouTube sees some people who are watching your videos about 30 seconds, YouTube will know that your video is not interesting your audience, and it will stop to share a video to different people. But if the people who get your link are interested in your video, and they are watching your video and they finish your video, YouTube will realize that your video is interesting people. What YouTube needs is to keep more people on it. Yeah, YouTube needs you to make videos that will engage people, that will block people to leave the YouTube. Yeah, YouTube needs you to work for it. Yeah, okay. And then you can ask me how YouTube will how will YouTube know if my video is interesting people? YouTube will consider many things. Among those things, they are like, comment, and share. If YouTube sees that people are liking your video, are commenting on your video, it will realize that your video is very interesting. It is interesting your audience. Yeah. Okay. Don't worry about not getting views or subscribers at the first time. All successful YouTube content creators had suffered from how to get views and subscribers. but they kept on working. They kept on working until now. Even you, don't be lazy. You have to work, and work hard. Yes. Don't worry about getting views and subscribers. You have to work. Keep on working. In that case, there will be a time at which YouTube will share to more people, to many people, your videos. YouTube will realize that you are a worker, a YouTube worker, a content creator. YouTube cannot promote one video. You have to get at least 10 videos on your channel. In that case, YouTube will realize that you are a content creator. Don't post today and post after 1 month, after 2 months. Have to wait to post at least one video a week, one video per week. You have to post one video per week. If you are able, can create more videos, many videos per week. It depends on your time. Yeah. Okay. There is another advice that I have for you. For you beginners, don't buy subscribers. Don't join groups sub for sub. Those groups are not good to join because people who will subscribe to your channel are not interested in your videos. Sometimes they don't even understand what you are speaking. I have seen someone who was advising us to join a group of WhatsApp. In that group, he told us that we will help him to subscribe to different channels, but he will be earning money from us. That is what he told us. And then, as you know, people who are not interested in your videos will not end your videos. Even if when you give a link, you share a link to them, they will never finish your video because they are not interested in that. You have to share your videos to those people who are interested in your content. Okay, don't do that mistake. Don't share a link. Don't buy subscribers. Yeah, it's not good to buy subscribers. Even if you are hearing from anywhere, people who are promoting their business of selling subscribers and their watch time, don't join those groups. Don't pay money for it. Yeah. So if you want to grow your channel, you have to know your audience. After you know your audience, you will need to learn how to edit videos, how to keep people on watching your video, how to engage your audience. Those courses are on YouTube platform. You will go on YouTube and watch how other people are working, especially people who have the same content as you. They are called competitors. If you want to succeed on YouTube, you have to watch what your competitors are working, are making. Okay, what type of videos are they making? And you have to pass through the same way as those those other content creators. You have to copy, not copy, but you have to look for how they are working on YouTube, what is pushing them to be successful. Yes. Okay. Another way to grow your YouTube channel is to work on trending topics. According to your audience or your niche, you have to search for what is trending nowadays, and you have to make videos on the trending topics and the topics that are relevant to your audience. You have to know that people go on YouTube in order to get solutions of their problems. You are a helper, you are a problem solver, and you have to solve many problems of people. If you are solving many problems of people, you will get more views and subscribers. Yes, okay. The reason why you have to learn, you have to know your exact niche and your exact audience. In that case, you will succeed. Okay, yeah. Don't worry if you are not getting subscribers or views. Keep on posting. Keep on posting many videos. Your time will come. YouTube will see that you are a good content creator, and they will realize that you are working for it. YouTube needs you to keep people, to hold the people on watching videos. If you make a video that is not interesting people, YouTube will not deal with you. Yeah, YouTube will ignore you and they will not push your videos to different people in order to be watched. Yeah, so what you have to do is to know your audience, learn how to edit, how to engage with your audience, and how to solve your people's problems. To know their problems, you have to go in your YouTube studio, and then in the analytics section you will get the section. In the upside you will get a site in which it is written trends. In trends, trend is a section of trends topics, the topics that are searched by your audience. Your audience is also watching other videos from other content creators. Yeah, okay. So you have to learn day by day, and then in that case you will succeed on YouTube. YouTube is not where you post whatever you need. You have to search. You have to choose your own niche. Yeah, don't mix different types of content. You cannot work on music and work on actuality or news. If you are a journalist, you have to work on news. Only news. Don't mix different content. Yeah, you cannot work on how to repair mobile phones and be also a journalist. It is not good. Even if you are able to do it, it is not good. You have to choose one audience and one content. Yeah, okay. Thank you for watching. If it is the first time you see me, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because if you subscribe to our channel, you get a chance to be notified whenever we post a video. Don't forget to click on the bell. The bell will help you to be notified anytime we post a video. So subscribe to our channel and be happy with us. Bye bye. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.